Okay, so I'm going to be explaining all of these trades using one simple concept, which I'm going to explain to you guys right now. And this concept is the accumulation, is the empty circle. Let me use an highlighter for that. Just use this pen. We have an accumulation, all right? Have a manipulation, have a break of this high. You need market to come back into this range. And this is going to be your entry, right? Entry point. And this is going to be your target. Okay, this is going to be a target, and everything inside here is your negotiation point. Now, this is not as easy as it looks, but I'm going to make it very easy for you guys. Now, take a look at this trade. We're going to be seeing something clearly. We have an accumulation, we have a manipulation to the downside, we have market violated this high, and we had a pullback, we had an entry. Okay, this is one. Okay, then what happens again? Okay, took out this high, and then we have another accumulation, we have a manipulation, we have market take this low, we had a pullback into this range, and then we had a sell. And market takes out this low, also took out one external right here, and then we had an accumulation, we had a manipulation, we had the market break out of this low, comes back inside. We didn't see an entry here. Then we waited. After this, I waited for an impulsive move, and then I got an entry. Stop loss is way below here, and our TP is around here. Okay, for a reason. Now, if you take a look at this, you would see that I actually entered when market was impulsive here, and it is for a reason because of what the price action is. And at this area, we have an accumulation. This is textbook. We have a manipulation. We have a break, we had a pullback, and we had an entry. On this one, I actually have two entries here. I had another re-entry right here. Okay, but I didn't annotate it here. Now, after external is gone, we have another thing. We have an accumulation. We have a manipulation to the downside. Had market violated this high. Market came back down just like what we did here, and then market, came back into this place, and then we had this entry. Our target is way up here, but I'll explain that in a bit. Now, after this, you can see that, so after this, market went back up, came back down into this area. We had the same thing, accumulation, manipulation. We had a little break into this area. We got back into this high, into this low, and we got this entry. And again, we started coming back there. You can see that this high wasn't necessary because market was at a supply zone, but market had not manipulated or traded into the extreme zones. So I look at this as an accumulation. This became a manipulation. I got my entry at the manipulation low. However, remember, I usually want market to break structure, or let's say market created structure inside here. I would have enjoyed the sell from there. But yeah, I go into this trade using a risk entry anyways, because market was still at this area. And market came back here, boom, and stopped us out on this one. That is exactly how I get into my chart. However, there are higher time frame analysis that needs to be done for this to happen.